It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
This week for New Food Friday, we are comparing onions. When I was a kid, we always had yellow onions. Doug always prefers to buy white onions. I asked him why once. He said they're better. I never really put much thought into it. I just bought the ones that looked familiar to me. So we are going to do a taste comparison. I have some raw yellow and white onion, and I have sauteed yellow and white. So first, I'll give you each a raw yellow to try.
This is yellow?
It is yellow. Hey, Emma, you gonna try an onion?
Spicy like an onion. Or whatever it is. Like whatever raw onions are. It's that weird spice.
It's kind of like garlic.
So the yellow onions don't smell so bad. The white ones smell like bad body odor. All right, what do you think? Who likes it?
I'd eat it on burgers and other stuff like hot dogs.
I would just eat an onion.
I wouldn't just eat it raw.
Emmy.
Although they would probably be good as cooked onion rings, you know.
All right, try white.
Oh, that yellow one is starting to give me a tummy ache. This one's not as bad as that one.
It's
That
sweet.
yellow.
The white one's better?
Mm-hmm.
Still spicy. Yeah, the little
Not as bad, but the white one's sweeter.
Mom,
The yellow one gave me a stomach.
Also, the yellow one's thicker.
Let's
Say
try
that
a sauteed yellow. Do you want to try these ones, Emmett? These ones are like onion rings.
No.
That's weird.
Sweet.
What does sauteing mean?
I don't think it's the best.
No?
Yeah, I've always grown up around with white onions.
Do you think if it was a blind taste test and you didn't know, would you be able to tell?
Yellow's better.
White's better. Yellow kind of had this.
Sauteed. So sauteed, yellow's better. Normal, white is better.
I think white's the best.
All right, so that's what I just saw on Facebook, was a thing saying for different purposes you need different onions. And I never really thought about that before. I just always grabbed the same kind for whatever I was making. Now we know if you want raw onions, white ones are the way to go. If you're cooking them, yellow ones. There's also sweet onions. And there's lots of different kinds of onions. We're just trying these two flavors. Do you guys like raw onions?
They're okay on hamburgers, hot dogs.
I would just
stuff.
grab an onion and eat it.
They're good for barbecues, like whenever you have like hamburgers, hot dogs. They're good for that. And they're good in pico de gallo. Is that how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
Pico de gallo, that Mexican condiment. They're okay with some stuff, yet they're not the best to eat just alone.
And who likes cooked onions?
Me, I love cooked onions, especially onion rings.
When you cook them, it really brings out the sweetness and takes away the,
Bitterness.
yeah, whatever it is. They're kind of, I don't
Bitter.
like them raw. I don't eat them raw. But cooked, they're pretty darn tasty. Do you want to try one?
No.
They're
No?
good.
Onions are yucky. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.